Welcome students. Now I am explaining the topic is nuclear fission. In 1939, two German scientists Otto von and Strassmann worked together and explaining about the nuclear fission. What is nuclear fission? In this case, especially neutron, it should be is collide with radioactive element. It should be collide with radioactive element. It will be split into the two separate atoms. Two separate atoms like as a two separate fragments. And at this time, this when it will be emitted to the some amount of that energy. From this case, we have to understanding about that these two separate fragments of that mass energy is always less than to the radioactive element. Remaining mass should be is changes into the energy like as a kinetic energies of like as a neutrons. In this case, neutrons energy is approximately 200 mega electron volt. I want to be take one radioactive element is nothing but uranium 92 to 35. It will be collide with maybe attack to that neutron to that uranium particle. It will be split into the two separate fragments like as a two separate particles. One should be is that barium. Barium atomic number is equal to 56, atomic mass is equal to 141, and one more element is nothing but krypton. Krypton atomic number is equal to 36, atomic mass is equal to 92. Look here, we have to compare to that atomic numbers. That is that after reaction and before reaction. Yes, 56 plus 36 is become to the 92. Okay, it should be satisfied to that atomic number. And here 141 plus 92 is become to that approximately how much this value become to 233. But here 236 and the remaining 3 number it will be emitted to that 3 neutrons. In this case, look here, these two are lighter nuclei, means this mass should be is always less than to that radioactive element, and this neutron's energy is approximately here 200 mega electron volt. Okay, this one is about of the nuclear fission. Once again, when that neutron should be is collide with uranium, it will be split into the two separate fragments is nothing but like as a barium and a krypton as well as to that neutron. For every reaction it will be emitted to that 3 neutrons. Again these neutrons and again should be collide with one more radioactive element and it will be split into that number of neutrons. This one is the multiplication of the neutrons. Okay, this type of process we want to be learned in nature of fragments and emission of neutrons. This one is also called as the chain reactions. In this case,
ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కావాలి అంటే మా ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి లైక్ షేర్ కామెంట్ చేయండి.
When that neutron should be is collide with uranium, it will be separate into the two fragments as well as to that emissions to that 3 neutrons. Again these 2 neutrons, again it should be is collide with one more uranium 235 particle and it will be split into that 3 neutrons as well as to the 2 separate fragments. Okay, this process should be is going continuously. For this case, this reaction should be also called as that chain reaction. First of all, we have to learn about of this one is that when the neutron should be collide with uranium 235, it will be split into 2 fragments. Your first reaction I want to be represent here N1, N1, N1. In this case, neutron should be collide with one more uranium 235. It will be separated into that one more 2 separate fragments, and the emission of the neutrons I want to be represent here N2, N2, N2. for another side also N2. Again these neutrons should be collide with to the radioactive element. Okay, at this time I want to represent here N3 and lower case also N3. Okay, this process should be going continuously. For every time neutrons should be collide with the uranium 235 particle, and it will be split into the two separate lighter fragments, as well as to the emission of every time 3 neutrons. It will be going continuously. For this case, this type of reaction should be also chain